So he's got the gates open there. You can see what he has on display on the right and left here. And then on this side, at the gates, is another classic car. Pretty cool, eh? And there's all the parking. He has all parking here segregated out, taped out. Cash only. Turn back or find ATM. Or money tree if you don't have it. He's got a bunch of cool old Sunoco signs here. I'm going to stick my head out here. He's got a bunch of cool old signs. Texaco, Sinclair, Standard, Tidal, White Rose, Golf, all the old gas stations. This one here, Golf. Pure. APCO. American. I don't know if there's anything further down there. Pretty neat, eh?
The final part is the motorcycle one.
Oh, right. Is that the latest?
No, the latest one's a big one we're going to take it to. Business.
So cool.
Businesses.
Just seen him a couple days ago
Car show?
at the Universal Cruisers event that's by Rutherford.
Oh, yeah.
And
You can just drop us off.
last few times he had the
Okay, the bike.
right here.
So you can get right out down the front.
Pardon
You
me?
want to go right down the...
I would appreciate that. Yeah, it really helps. Yeah, my mileage varies day to day just from...
Is that camera?
It is.
Oh, wow. And work your way back.
Yeah, okay, yeah, that is so cool. Appreciate it.
Good morning.
How are you?
Thank you. And yourself?
I'm pretty good.
See you to the entry on the left.
Oh, this side? Okay,
Yes,
great, thank you. Tell me a little. This is the latest building he's built?
Yes, it is.
Yeah, it's good. Check it out. Thank you. So cool. Oh, look at this. This is crazy.